Hi there. In this video we're going to put together Summertime Cricut Cutie. So there's a bunch of pieces and we'll layer them as we go. And some really small pieces like the bill, the duck bill. Alright. Let's see. We're going to start with the the body, and then we'll work our way to the smaller pieces. Okay. Set that off to the side. That off to the side for now. Okay. So you should have 3 pieces. I did mine in all green, so he's not going to be two-toned. He's just going to be, Cricut green. And that's what this is Cricut green. It's called Grasshopper, I think, from Cardstock's 12x12 cardstock shop. Let's see. No, it's parsley. But there is a grasshopper one. I pulled out the wrong one, it looks like. Oh well. So they got like 2 colors that would work for Cricut if you want Cricut green. The cardstock cuts real good. And it's textured. Trying to get my glue to open. Okay. So this is the back piece. This will be the bottom layer. This is the second layer, the belly. Then you have the black layer, which is for the eyes and mouth. Get those to show up. And then you have, oops, come on, the whites of the eyes. And then you'll have little circles go around. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to glue this on first to the bottom layer. Oh, I forgot to find my tweezers. Oh well. So line the antennas up. Alright. So that's what he looks like so far. I don't know why it's not, what is it called? Focusing when I raise it up. Okay, so let's see. This is the back. So it's the black layer next. Alright. Oops. And then it's the face layer. Oops, I just bent his antenna trying to get this on there right. Alright. Now that's on there. Then the eyes. Let's make sure we get them right. Yeah. Okay. So far he looks like a Cricut Cutie. Alright. And then he's going to have a rubber ducky floaty on. So I turned, it's usually green that goes around the eye, but I turned it yellow, the same color as the duck, so it will look like goggles, like he's wearing goggles. He was supposed to have swim shorts, but the swim shorts kept disappearing in my file. Try not to get glue on them. Hold on. All right. Now would be the time for the tweezers, but I don't know where I put them. All right. That's as good as I'm going to get it. Oh, there were antenna right there. You can put those on there if you want. I cut them out. I might omit them from the design space file. So I will provide the design space file for Summertime Cricut Cutie, but he won't be free because I used pieces from another image set. Oops. So he won't be free. That's all I wanted to say. Okay, so the duck has a bill. And mine's almost the same color. I was trying to use scraps. All right. No, I already pushed it down. Oh well. Let's see. This goes a certain way, so it goes that way. All right. This is so small. So tiny. Okay, so right here is the long end, and right there is the long end. That's how you know it goes together. Which side, in case you accidentally flip them. All right. Okay. There's his floaty. Let's see. So then you can glue the floaty onto him. We would glue it onto his swim trunks, but he doesn't have any. So just put it wherever. All right. So that is Summertime Cutie. There we go. Now we're adjusting. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.